South State Bank online account password recover. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create Login Delete. Without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your web browser in your PC and at the top search bar, type in southstatebank.com. Once you do so, you will land onto its official website. Now, to recover your password, go ahead and click on Login on your top right. You will see this page pop up on your screen. Now you can see below, you have two links for help. One is forgot login ID, another is forgot password. To get help, go ahead and click on forgot login ID. Here you are required to enter your social security number and your account number and also your account type. Likewise, to recover your forgotten password, go ahead and click on forgot password. And just like so, they will ask you for your login ID. Enter your login ID and click on submit. Follow the on-screen prompt to get to the end. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update from us.